What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday morning here. Taking a look at the NASDAQ, pulling back some here finally after this crazy run up we've been having. Consolidated a little bit here the last couple days. Last night ran up a little bit and now moving back down here. So let's take a look. Let's see if we get a nice setup today. Manage risk properly and see you guys on the first trade. Trying to hold this here. New 5-minute candle about to open. I'm gonna put a sell order there if we can tag
order
that.
Filled.
Oh, we actually closed within.
Order filled.
I was really looking to play that. We closed under, retest, continuation lower, close within, potentially look, see if it could hold this. Look for a long higher. We did close within. Instantly tagged me out there for a loss on that. That's okay. We'll see if it actually holds this here. You know, we are in a downtrend. You know, overall, of course, we've been in a huge uptrend, but now shifted, made a high, coming back down here. Let's see what they do. Was looking for that continuation short. Didn't get it, actually just snuck up and closed within. That would have at least invalidated my short play. All right, let's watch. Let's see if we get something else that sets up for us here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go long here. Been watching this on the other monitor here. 5-minute retest into the 9 on the 5, and then we have the 9 on the 1 minute here. See if this can hold. We may just slice right through that. It looks like it's gonna do. See if we can get that open strength off the 9, get that push. Don't want to see this flip red. I may need to go to 5 MNQ. It's just this stop is so tight on this. It's not giving me a lot of room with this range going on here. Yeah, it looks like it might flip red and stop me out right here. Yeah, slicing lower.
Order filled.
Stop me out there. -1R, another 250. Man. Couldn't really find a good entry. We held here, pushed up. Opened right on the 9 there again, sitting on that. Pushing lower, just broke that low. I want to try and make it work with the 1 NQ, just with this range. It's just got to be a pinpoint entry. Yeah, let's watch. Let's see if something else sets up. New 5-minute candle going to open here in a minute and a half or so. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'll take this long here on MNQ. Size down a little bit. 5 contracts of MNQ, half size than I was doing. Pushing up out of this breakout area. Consolidate a little bit, pushing back down into that here. Let's see if we can hold this area from earlier. This is really what I'm watching here. Stop under 130. Take profit will be higher. Look for a move back over the highs here. It's like they're just carving through that right now.
Order filled.
Another stop out. Man, flash right onto my exit there. 154.25. Basically the bottom of that candle. That sucks. And I've been waiting, kind of forcing some entries on stuff. I mean, nothing looks super great right here, but still looking for something. Down 763 on that. Let's see. Let's watch and see if we get maybe a decent setup here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this long, see if they can hold this trend. Been in this channel here. I'm gonna take smaller size here. 3 contracts. Stop basically, if we get stopped out, it's daily loss limit on the day. If this goes red and just starts and just continues bleeding out on us, then that'll be it. We're gonna see if what we've been doing here can hold. If not, that's 4 strikeouts and 4 strikes and you're out type situation here today. Looks like it's trying to push lower here. It doesn't look to be bearing too well. Similar to the trade from the other day. Looks like it might just continue the bleed here. Tough day. Should have been using 5 MNQ. It wouldn't even have changed anything, mainly just being wrong on the trades. So
Order filled.
take 1 MNQ there, stop basically under the lows now. Let's move that down. If we hit DLL, then that's it for today. See if they can push back up and start holding. I mean, it's just about 220 point waterfall from the top there. They may continue. Pushing back up green here. See if they can continue. New 5-minute candle open. It's retesting the 9 there on the 1 minute. It's getting pushed back down. Sellers are just too much. See if they can hold this here, but if not, they'll probably just continue lower, go sideways, and just continue the sell-off here. New candle open. Let's see what they do on this one. Are they gonna have the strength to push it, or are they gonna send it lower here? Tough day. Tough day. Just forcing trades. in a weird spot. Globex has been going great, but yeah, want to take a trade to put out something, but you know, sometimes better just sit on my hands. I could have easily really not taken anything today. Just looking at the 5 minute, but see what they do here. We're long from bottom of the range, so it does hold. Trying to get back above that 9 there. Where was our stop? Stop's basically like at low of day. Getting a bit of a push here. Gonna look somewhere around here as a target. It's like they did hold this here, a little consolidation, pushing back higher. We'll see how far they want to run it up. If we can get over this here. A lot of strength coming in on that 1 minute candle. Let's see if they can get some continued strength and not just sell that back down. Getting over that, let's see if we can break that 5 minute and get a push through the hundreds here. Move stop to break even here. Want to see if we can get that continued push up towards the 9. Look at a 2 minute chart here. See if we can get a push into this 9. A little bit of mean reversion action here going on with this trade. I want to see this next 1 minute candle at least hold this and push higher, and then I'll move stop up under the low of this candle here. But I don't want this one to retest and stop me out. That's why I haven't moved stop up yet. I mean, that's some strength coming in. I'm going to do that now, because if this thing flips red after that. So I'll at least take 1 hour back here on this trade. And it's a good thing we held there. Just getting with the trend. I mean, the trend has been down, but you do get these rallies back up here. So just really simple. I mean, you see what I'm looking at. Pretty simple stuff here. It's nothing too crazy. Like with the path. I mean, that's literally all we're looking at right here. Highest probability that we're probably gonna hold this. So willing to put risk on for that. See if we can hold this here. Want to see this hold. If we dip back below this, I will get stopped out. New 5 minute candle open right here. Want to see this flip green off this. Yeah. Yep. Flip green and then push into the 9. Pushing it back down lower there. Sitting on the 9 there. Open red, now push flip green and run it higher through that. Want to see some buyers step up on this. Pushing it lower. Looks like they might. Yeah, you're gonna make a run.
Order
there.
filled.
Stopped out there on that. Brought us down to only down 492 on the day. Not bad. We did end up holding that level there. We'll see. They may end up running it higher, but I'm not going to be up 500 or so and let it come all the way back even on me. That'd be kind of crazy. Although it may still just work. We'll probably send it green and go straight up now. You have that support level right here at 57. Almost tapped into that. Down 492. Question is, are we going to get any good setups here? I don't want to just take a trade to take a trade because of the P&L. You can wait and watch for a little bit longer here and see if something sets up for us that I want to take. Stop sell sitting out here. See if I can join the continuation. See if we can get a breakdown here and continue to move lower.
Order filled.
Tagged in short there. Want to see if we can get that continued selling. They're trying to hold it right here. It's looking for a stronger pushback down. There you go, starting to break down here. Basically an open right on that level there. See if we can get that continued selling down and spike a new low here. Trying to push lower here. 5-minute continued sell off. See if we can fill this wick back down here on the 15-minute candle as well. Finding it, trying to hold it up here. Feels like we're either about to get a really sharp green candle right up to the stop here, or we're gonna get that sharp drop through the lows. Feels like something's about to happen here. We got a new 5-minute candle about to open here. See if we can open that and then get some momentum. New 5-minute candle. A little bit of a push back up there. See if sellers can step back up and turn this red and continue the sell off here. See if everyone that bought this dip. That didn't cover. Stop's going to be under here. Yeah, big 29K whole number. I actually might move this a little bit lower. Definitely going to move stop anyway if we do break this. Got to get down to that level first, though. Just trying to get with the trend, same as always. See if we can get that push towards 29K here. Barely missed it here on that last buy up, 1032. Second time's the charm, starting to accelerate a little bit here. Push down lower. Are they going to get a break of the low? Sitting there at 29,015. Trying to hold it up here. Stops basically break even. If this candle 5-minute pushes green and then starts breaking its previous high, we might just do that right here. It might. Let's see if sellers can continue. They might try and hold this previous low and not make a new low here. Wow, they've got strength. They're actually
order filled.
Yeah. They actually pushed that all the way back up there. They didn't break the low. That's brutal. We were probably up a good amount there. I don't even know what we were. 40 points. Probably up about 400 or so. But man, that's tough. Didn't quite get the move there. Got out even. Yeah, a lot of strength coming in. They're protecting this level here. Front running that 29K. Holding the low they put in. They might try and make this low of day here and hold this. Yeah, second strong reaction off this level here. They may now try and send it higher, look to break this level here. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. That's interesting. Just about ran it double wick there. Pincer bottom on the 15. Let's wait and see. Maybe we'll look for a long entry here, retest back into this for continuation higher after they've shown this strength here. Let's see, a new 2 minute here in 5 seconds or so. I feel like I'm not going to get filled here. Let's see if we can get that dip back down into this level here.
Order filled.
I'm going to fill 2 there. So I was trying to hold that. I'll put 2 more right there.
Order filled.
All right, we're filled in 4 long there. Stop's going to be at 26. Let's see if we can hold this momentum, this buy up off of 29K and get a continued push higher. Look to break this high right here. Maybe push back up into around these levels right here. New 5 minute candle open. See if we can get that push. Put a stop buy order for a couple more, and I'm going to move stop up tight under the low, under what we put in here. If we can get that continued momentum. I'll tighten this up, stop about right here probably. See if they can hold this, get that strength. Yeah, see if they flip it red on us here. New 2-minute candle open. You then get back over the 9 and run this higher here. Yeah, not playing out. They're trying to hold it up. Are they really going to run it down? They might just really want that 29K test. See if anyone steps up here in the middle. Anyone going to step up, or are we just going to keep slicing it lower?
Order filled.
253. Okay. Wow, they didn't hold that, so strength, rolling back over again towards that 29K level. Back down here towards the low we just put in. Are they gonna break this? I'll take a quick scalp if we do break these lows and see if we can continue under 29K. Let's watch to see if this hits. They may just try and hold it up again here, but let's see if they run it on this. Back at low a day here. Holding that 29.10 level. They're trying to hold this up here.
Order filled.
Filled in long there. We're going and pushing into 29. Would stop if we break back above. I want to see a stronger move through 29. I want them to sit on it, fill orders, and then bounce off 29K. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't want them to just wick the low and then sit on 29. Yeah, I wanted a quick move down through 29 here. I was hoping we have enough
Order filled.
Enough strength to push through that rather than just a dip.
Order filled.
But we held 29K, new 5-minute candle, close within there. See if we can hold this now, if this is a low at 29, and push back higher here. Stop is going to be about basically just under the lows there. We got the dip into 29K. We Stopped out people here under these lows. Will we get strength off this level again, or is this going to be, of course, the time, now that I'm long from here, the time that we send it through 29K and lower? Sitting right on it. Looks like it's going to be the case where we do actually continue lower here.
Order filled.
And there it is. DLL on the day. Pushing through 29K, did not end up holding it. It's tough. It's tough. Because really, no, if I look at this 5-minute chart, I don't know if there's an A+ setup that I found here. Like, really great setup. No, I'm recording and trading for you guys in the morning. You know, kind of sharing going through this, but, you know, almost a feeling like I have to take something and then, you know, you're down. You want to take something else. You don't want to end the day red. Just those type of things right now. It's not as bad as before. So I have my, you know, I separate it. I trade Pullbacks, which is going well. So yeah, I guess that's it today. Not a good showing. DLL again on the day. You know, stops me from just running the entire account in one day, which is good. We're pretty close here. It's honestly maximum loss limit in the account. Yeah, I need to chill, just wait for A+ setups, honestly, and be okay, I guess, with the day not taking a trade if I don't see anything I really like. But that's gonna wrap that one up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow morning.